Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of your bank account looking like a ghost town? Are your finances spookier than a haunted house? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to teach you how to master your money in just 6 months. That's right, 6 months to go from I'm broke to I'm woke financially. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our amazing content. Now, let's get started. 1. Assess your financial situation. Step 1 in our ultimate financial transformation guide is to assess your financial situation. Think of this as your financial health checkup. Imagine your finances as a messy closet. You can't fix what you can't see, right? So let's pull everything out and take a good look. List all your income sources and expenses. Get a clear picture of your debts, savings, and spending habits. Use apps or good old spreadsheets. This is your financial x-ray. No cheating. We need to see all those skeletons in your financial closet. 2. Set clear financial goals. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. You wouldn't go on a road trip without a destination, would you? Same goes for your money. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Maybe you're aiming for that sweet, sweet financial freedom. Whatever it is, write it down and make it specific. Make sure your goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. I want to save money is a wish. I want to save $5,000 for a vacation by December 31st is a goal. 3. Create a budget. Step 3 is creating a budget. Think of your budget as a recipe for financial success. Without a recipe, you might end up with a financial mess that tastes like disappointment. Delicious debt stew. Start by listing your fixed expenses, like rent and utilities. Then add your variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and debt repayment. And don't forget to leave a little room for fun, because all work and no play makes Jack a dull, financially miserable boy. 4. Reduce expenses. Step 4. Reduce expenses. This is where the real magic happens. We're going to find hidden cash in your daily habits. Think of yourself as a financial detective on the case to uncover the mystery of the missing money. Look for ways to cut costs. Can you switch to a cheaper phone plan? Maybe cook more at home instead of ordering out? How about canceling that gym membership you never use? Sorry, Jim, it's not me, it's you. 5. Increase your income. Step 5. Increase your income. Time to unleash your inner money-making superhero. You've got the power to boost your earnings, and I'm here to show you how. Explore side hustles, ask for a raise, or turn your hobbies into cash. The sky's the limit. Just don't go overboard and start selling your neighbor's dog. That's a no-go. 6. Pay down debt. Step 6. Pay down debt. Debt is like that annoying ex who keeps calling. It's time to knock it out. Let's get in the ring and fight back. Use the debt avalanche or debt snowball method. Avalanche tackles high-interest debt first, while snowball pays off the smallest debts first. Pick your strategy and stick to it. Before you know it, you'll be debt-free and doing a victory dance. 7. Build an emergency fund. Step 7. Build an emergency fund. Life happens, and when it does, you want to be ready. Think of this as your financial umbrella for those rainy days. Start small. Aim for at least $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. Eventually, build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Trust me, future you will thank you. 8. Invest for the future. Step 8. Invest for the future. Time to reach for the stars. Investing is your ticket to long-term financial growth. Don't be scared. It's not rocket science, I promise. Start with a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. 9. Monitor and adjust. Step 9. Monitor and adjust. You're the pilot of your financial plane, and it's time to stay on course. Regularly check your budget and goals, and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Be flexible, stay focused, and keep flying towards financial freedom. Congratulations, you've completed our ultimate financial transformation guide. In just 6 months, you can master your money and take control of your financial future. Remember, it's all about small, consistent steps. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy saving. Reminder to like, share, and subscribe. Before we go, a quick reminder, if you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best tips and tricks to master your money. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.